गुड मॉर्निंग चिल्ड्रन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। हम एनसीईआरटी इंग्लिश बुक का बीए चैप्टर 1 द फन दे हैड बिहाइव बुक का क्लास 9th के इंग्लिश बुक के कर रहे थे। तो हमने मतलब थिंकिंग अबाउट टेक्स्ट का जो था उसका फर्स्ट, सेकंड एंड थर्ड क्वेश्चन आंसर्स का जो पार्ट था वो हमने देख लिया था। अब आती हमारी बारी फोर्थ ये में question answer in 2 or 3 paragraphs, which means 100 to 150 words. First question is, what are the main features of the mechanical teacher and the school rooms that Maggie and Tommy have in the story? Answer. The main features of the mechanical teachers that Maggie and Tommy have, they need to go they need not to go school for getting a formal education. The mechanical teacher is placed in one of the rooms of the house and they can get the knowledge of various subjects of individually from the mechanical teacher. They don't have such classrooms where students sit together. They study from the telebooks. The students write answers in punch code and the mechanical teacher calculates the result right away. The students who do not have classmates, they study subjects like arithmetic, history, geography, etc. The mechanical teacher would turn on at the same time every day except on the weekends. Question number second. Why did Margie hate school? Why did she think the old kind of school must have been fun? Answer. Margie hated school because she had a mechanical teacher. It was in her house. She found it monotonous. The mechanical teacher started the class at the same time regularly. She was supposed to sit in that room alone to complete her homework. Margie's mechanical teacher was giving her test after test on geography and she was performing badly. The part Margie hated most was the slot where she had to put homework and test papers. She thought that the old kind of schools must have been fun because it would have had kids from various places of the neighborhood. They enjoyed, laughed, and shouted in the schoolyard. She thought about the fun they had in the old kind of schools. Third question is, do you agree with Margie that schools today are more fun than the school in the story? Give reasons for your answer. Answer. Yes, I agree with Margie that the schools today are more fun than the school in the story. The school in the story has nothing but a mechanical teacher with no emotions and sentiments. It does not have the ability to understand the mindset of a child. Moreover, the mechanical teacher works only on the subjective knowledge of the child and not his overall development. They learn the same thing. The teachers in today's school can adapt according to different students and accordingly deal with them. But mechanical teachers can't adapt themselves. They have to be adjusted according to the students' needs. The student in today's school sit and learn together. These activities help students to learn and have fun.